Welcome back, man. Rolling in hot. Got some impounds over here. This property, they're doing a strike job. They got some cars they want towed out of the work area. Anyway, it's been a busy time here in Atlanta. Been a lot of shootings, man. We had some more shootings last night. I think there's been 7 people killed in 48 hours or 24 hours. It's just heating up around here. Anyway, it is what it is, man. We're gonna yank some cars and get them off the property. I gotta find the location of what section they're doing today. This is the area they're fixing to reseal coat and stripe, put new stripes down. We're gonna yank these right here. We may have complications. It does happen on these impounds. It happens when you're just moving them, but we're gonna see what happens. This is real towing. This is straight up reality, man. Like it or not. I don't care if you hate to tow, guys. If you watch this channel, you'll see how it's really done. They basically this one here I know is abandoned here. Some of them are abandoned. See, they don't.
Yeah, I know this. I know.
Hey, they don't know which ones are abandoned. This one is not.
Yeah.
And see, that's the thing. They don't know what door either. They would knock.
I'm finna go. That's why I'm finna go over there, and I want.
Hey, listen. Let me tell you this right here.
Yeah, tell me what to do before I just go on there.
Yeah. Listen. It's on the hook, man. Hey, they're gonna have to pay already. I mean, it's already on the hook. And the property's doing it because they're trying to fix everything, trying to make it look better.
Right.
You know, so you can wake them up or whatever, but it's on the hook already, man. They already got to pay, period. So you go wake them up, man, and go and try to find them. They're gonna have to pay it out anyway. It's already on. It's 175 at the property, 100 on property. And that's up to you. I'm not trying to tell you what to do. If you want to go try to knock on doors, but be careful, don't knock on the wrong door. Somebody might be mad if you knock on the wrong door. And that's the thing about waking people up.
Because this person stay in my building. I know.
Yeah.
I know who car it is. They stay in my building.
You just don't know what unit. Yeah.
I know they on the top floor though.
Yeah.
But thank you, man.
Yeah, no problem. Have a good one, man. I appreciate you're a good neighbor to them, man. That's all you can do is try to be a good neighbor.
Yeah.
I'm gonna roll to the yard. He was a nice guy, man. My hat's off to the guy, man, for trying to look out for his neighbor. I didn't know he was acting kind of strange in the beginning. I didn't know if we had got one of his cars. You can't never tell what's gonna happen, what kind of reaction somebody's gonna have. Hey,
what's up, buddy?
What's going on, man?
Hey, not much. Hey, that's related to the pavement shit.
Yeah, they're towing.
Still at it.
Yeah, they're still at it, man. I don't know when they're going to get done.
All right, my
Yeah,
friend.
have a good one, man. Take care. Anyway, here's the guy with the RAV4. The one that the neighbor couldn't find. I'm going to go in here and tell him his neighbor was trying to help him. Hey, you the RAV4?
Yeah.
Man, your neighbor was trying to find you, man. The kid with the dreadlocks, man, the young guy.
Oh, yeah.
He tried to find you, man. He was worried about your car. He was sitting over there looking crazy, man. He walked all the way to the office and come up there, was trying to find out what to do.
Yeah, so they're supposed to work on Monday because of rain. They moved. It looks like I didn't know that.
Yeah.
They work on Wednesday. You know, I did.
Yeah, it happens, man. It happens, man. But I just wanted you to know your neighbor, man. He was trying to look.
Just 1 hour and a half hour. You know, I just went off and then.
Yeah. Well, he was trying to look out for you. He's a good neighbor. Have a go, man. Anyway, this guy here, he walked over to our lot. This guy leaving, and he's got a dead battery, trying to get somebody to jump him off. And he's got a homeless guy over there that's got a vehicle. The guy lives in his car, and the guy that lives in his car is going to jump him off. The only problem, the homeless guy living in his car locked his keys in it. So I'm gonna go by there and do a lockout real quick. Do a little charity this morning. Oh man.
Yeah, somebody jumped the car, but I didn't hear it run long enough.
Did he break in his car?
Yeah, I need one of them. I had clothes.
Yeah, you can't do it in no clothes hanger, man. There it is.
Thank you.
Yep. Now he can jump you off, can't he?
Huh?
He can jump you off.
Yeah, my car's right there.
No problem, man. Hey, you too, man. Good to see you, man. You all right? I know it. That's it, man. Take care, bro. Yeah, no problem, man. We just pulled on this property here, and I talked to the office. They've got quite a few vehicles they stickered that they want towed. Anyway, we're rolling right along. I got 3 so far that I found on this property that got to be towed. They've got a ton of cars that were stickered on this property. 290. It's 210. Anyway, I'd be willing to bet that Cobb County is on this property a lot. I've towed over here quite a few years, and I can guarantee they have altercations go down a lot on this property. Let's see, 1560 through 80. Hey, I'm gonna keep rolling. I'm gonna find another one here in just a minute, and we're gonna load up. There's my blue F-150 right there. We'll get out and check it.
Touch my truck, we're gonna have problems.
Well, if you don't have a tag on it, it's an order for towing. Well, hey, go talk to the manager. All you gotta do is talk to the manager. You get mad at me. That's the way it goes with that one. She drove it off to the office, and she's gonna get extension. The office is gonna give her extra time. All she had to do was call up there and said they won't answer the phone, but they're in the office. I just left up there, and matter of fact, she was on the phone when I was up there. But like I said, all you got to do is communicate with your property managers. Okay, 1600 gold Camry. Here's a gold Camry, September 2020 tag on it. We're gonna get out and check this one. Yeah, California. Brakes up on it. I'm gonna have to lock it out and get the brake off. Anyway, we're gonna roll up here and grab this Taurus and a Ranger. There's a lot of foot traffic around here. Police in here. It usually means you got some crime going on in the neighborhood. And I already knew that coming in. I already knew this was gonna be like this when I got over here. Like that pit bull is trying to get to that other little dog. That's the way this world is. Someone's always trying to get at somebody. Anyway, let's get it. Anyway, I can see that Impala all the way from here. I can see the orange tag on the window of the Impala. So we're gonna back down there and grab that Impala. I did go ahead and put my vest on. Seeing a lot of people, certain age groups, milling about. First people that actually waved at me on this property. I've passed a bunch of people, nobody's acknowledged or waved at me, which is not out of the ordinary for people to not wave at me. That's pretty common. A lot of people, like I said, you live on a property like this, you may not like tow guys, and that's fine. You don't have to like us. You won't like us till you broke down on the highway waiting on somebody to come get your car and you and your kids and everything off the highway. And then you'll like us again for a little while until you see us back on the property yanking cars. Then you'll hate us again. But that's the way it is, man. We got these two. I'm gonna go sign these out, man, and get them off the property. Anyway, we signed out, man, and rolled out. We're headed toward the yard now. We'll get back over there. I don't know if we'll get back over there today, but there's more cars to tow. The boss will send somebody over there for sure. Anyway, stay tuned, man. We'll see what's happening with the yard. Peace.